That is one of the issues that we have is the school system has one device that they use, one electronic system where they enter what we call blackouts, dates that community use can't use.
Mm-hmm.
And then NCS, Neighborhood and Community Services, they have another system. They don't talk to each other, so the school's got to do theirs. They give it to NCS, and then NCS provides community users. They give us the permit. So when those permits are given to us and we get cancellations, not emergencies, not weather-related items, but when they cancel because they forget or they didn't put something into the system, like back to school nights or other activities, there's an impact on the community user, and that impact is tough. So, you know, as from an SYA perspective and from being a member of the athletic council as well, we've been trying to work through these issues. We want to work together to find solutions to make it work. And that's probably been the biggest challenge that we have as an organization.